So it's essentially ground balanced. I'm going to turn this just till it's quiet now. Okay, you hear nothing. Okay. Now, while we're in the threshold based all metal, you heard nothing when I swept it. Now, we're going to put this hot rock in here. This is what can happen sometimes when you're metal detecting in a certain type of ground and then all of a sudden there's a differently mineralized stone. This is what you'll get in your threshold based all metal. See, we're hearing the stone. Now, what I'm going to do is switch this into the no motion all metal. Press retune over it. Okay, we've pressed retune. Now it is quiet. Now what we're going to do is place the nickel underneath this now. Underneath this whole hot rock and so forth. We're going to place that nickel. Here's the nickel. You just seen we heard nothing. Tuned it out. Now let's go over it again. I haven't changed any settings now. Now we're getting it. We're getting that nickel through the hot rock. Even a good inch, inch and a half above it. Now to show that we can't get this in the discriminant mode, we're going to switch to discriminant. And we're at 10 on the gain. And we can't hear nothing. See, that's masked or good target. Discriminate mode cannot even see that nickel below there. And this is what I'm talking about. Why the Outlaw is such a awesome metal detector. Let's switch her back to non-motion. I mean, that's even a couple inches above it. We'll switch into the threshold all metal. Okay, that's getting it, but it's probably getting the rock too. Turn that threshold down. Take this out and see if our threshold's picking up that stone. Nickel out. Dirt back in and the stone. See, the threshold's picking up that stone. But it's not picking up the dirt next to it. So we switch into the no motion. Press the retune. Press it again. That rock is gone because we pressed the retune. Now we put the nickel, which could represent a gold ring, back in. Now she's coming through loud and clear. So this ability of the Tesoro Outlaw is exceptional ability when you're detecting in mineralized areas such as the Duluth North Shore, which is all basalt stones. To be able to get this thing to not sound off on an actual hot rock and hit a nickel through it, that's a extremely good feature. Because anyone who's going along in normal ground and comes across a hot rock, you're going to hear it. But if you get into a bad area, you can press the retune to cancel out the hot rock and still hit a good target underneath it. Thank you.